Right now, behind the closed doors of Silicon Valley, the tech giants are quietly abandoning the very thing that made them famous. For the past 3 years, you've been told that the future of technology is the chatbot. You type a prompt and it gives you an answer, but what if I told you that chatbots are already obsolete? We have officially entered stage 3, Agentic AI. We aren't talking about software that writes emails or generates pretty pictures. We are talking about autonomous digital workforces, systems that can look at a business goal, break it down into 50 individual steps, write their own code, hire other AI agents, and execute the entire project from scratch while you sleep. In this video, we are breaking down exactly how this hidden shift is reshaping the global economy, the secret frameworks powering it right now, and how you can position yourself before the window closes. If you want to stay ahead of where technology is moving next, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Welcome back to Metacore Innovations. Let's dive in. To understand why this is a multi-trillion-dollar shift, we have to look at the fundamental flaw of regular AI. Currently, artificial intelligence is passive. It sits there, waiting for your input. If your prompt is bad, the output is bad. The cognitive burden is entirely on you. But look at the system on your screen. This is an autonomous agent workflow. Instead of a single model guessing the answer, Agentic AI uses an entire network of specialized submodels working in a continuous loop. Think of it like a corporate office structure built entirely out of software. You provide a single, high-level objective to the task creation agent. That agent doesn't give you a text response. Instead, it queries its memory bank, analyzes the context, and generates a dynamic list of actions. It passes those tasks to the execution agent, which writes code, tests it, and pushes it forward. Meanwhile, a task prioritization agent constantly cleans, reorders, and optimizes the workflow based on real-time feedback. They talk to each other, correct each other's errors, and refine their own outputs. The human is no longer the operator. The human is simply the supervisor approving the final result. This isn't a theoretical concept for the next decade. It's happening right now inside the code bases of the world's most aggressive startups. Tools like advanced IDEs and customized LLM frameworks are allowing single developers to deploy entire microservices in a fraction of the time. Consider how software used to be built. You needed a front-end developer, a back-end engineer, a database administrator, and a project manager to keep them aligned. In the new agentic paradigm, a single human acts as the orchestrator. They deploy a structured AI voice agent to handle customer support, a Python-driven data agent to continuously optimize an SQL database, and a marketing agent tracking global trends. These aren't isolated apps. They are a unified, self-correcting business engine. This completely rewrites the rules of leverage. Historically, scaling a company meant hiring more people, increasing your overhead, and managing human friction. Tomorrow, scaling means allocating more compute power to your agentic networks. When technology shifts this fast, it creates a massive divide between those who use it as a glorified search engine and those who understand it as raw leverage. According to major venture capital data, early adoption of agentic workflows is already reducing operational costs in technical sectors by over 40%. But the real transformation isn't just about saving money, it's about speed to market. A project that used to take a corporate team, 3 months of planning, meetings, and revision can now be simulated, coded, and deployed by a single founder in a weekend. This changes the competitive landscape forever. Large enterprises with bureaucratic layers can no longer outcompete a hyper-lean team utilizing autonomous orchestration. The barrier to entry for building complex enterprise-grade software has effectively dropped to zero. The takeaway is simple. The future doesn't belong to those who know how to type a prompt into a chatbot. The future belongs to the orchestrators, the people who know how to design, connect, and deploy autonomous ecosystems to solve real-world problems. The transition from passive AI to active, agentic autonomy is the single largest leverage event of our generation. The only question left is, are you going to watch it happen, or are you going to build it? If you want to master the exact frameworks, architectures, and tools driving this AI revolution, make sure to check out our deep dive analysis on screen right now. Subscribe to Metacore Innovations to ensure you don't miss our next breakdown. See you in the next video.